Today, the news is not any better. Today is the day that we have actually recorded the highest number of positive cases since this pandemic struck. Out of the 6,754 samples tested in the last 24 hours, we have 796 people having tested positive for this disease. And this brings the total number of positive cases in the country to 15,601, pushing our cumulative sample size so far tested to 200,061,027. From these cases, we have 3 foreigners, we have 503 males, 293 females. The youngest is 1-year-old infant, while the oldest is 87. And I feel it becomes important to emphasize today, while we do have the 796 cases reported today, 89% of them are asymptomatic. And that's important to note. 89% of them are asymptomatic. Again, leading to the emphasis that we've placed that this disease is really well within our communities. Again, to place the emphasis that, any one of us could actually be afflicted with this COVID-19 disease. In terms of distribution by cases by county, Nairobi has the highest at 539, with a positivity rate of almost 13%. Kiambu 63, Machakos 57, Kajiado 37, Migori 26, Kericho 15, Narok 11, Uasin Gishu 11, Laikipia 9, Nakuru 7, Busia 6, Mombasa 4, Kisii 3, Murang'a 2, and Siaya 2. Embu, Kisumu, Nyeri, and Trans Nzoia all have 1 case each. We have provided a distribution in terms of sub-counties, but to provide highlights in terms of Nairobi, Kibra continues to lead with 64 cases, Dagoretti North with 55, and Embakasi East with 40. In terms of Kiambu, we have Ruiru leading with 17 cases and 9 in Thika. In Machakos, 50 of them, the cases come from Athi River. In Kajiado, we have Kajiado East having 23 cases. In Migori, we have Kuria West having 19 cases. And in Kericho, we have Ainamoi having 14 cases. Narok West leads with 6. Whereas in Laikipia, we have Laikipia West leading with 6. In Busia, we have Teso South leading with 3. And in Mombasa, Mvita leads with 3. Kisii, all the 3 cases are from Kitutu Chache South, whereas Embu, Kisumu, Nyeri, and Trans Nzoia all have 1 case each. The good news is that 378 patients have recovered from the disease. Out of this number, 199 are from the home-based care program, while 179 are from various hospitals, bringing the total number of recoveries to 7,135. And we continue to salute our healthcare workers for this commendable work that has enabled us to achieve these results. Sadly, we've lost 3 patients from the disease, bringing our total fatality to 263. And in aggregate form, we stand at around 1.7 case fatality in the country. We do want to pass our sincere condolences to the families and friends of those who've lost their loved ones. And finally, we would like to make a special appeal to you Kenyans to ensure that when you do feel unwell, that you visit the healthcare facility immediately. In the past few days, we've received several reports, reports shared with us online, calls of patients who perhaps are afraid to now seek care. And we are witnessing cases where people are rushing to hospital at the last minute. And then, of course, succumbing to the condition because we've not been able to intervene at an appropriate time. So we do request you, really, to seek care should you feel unwell, to be able to approach the health facility, because it is detrimental if you come in late. Thank you.